Good morning. My name is Vansh Kumar Shukla, and we have made it the collision alert project. So basically, अगर मैं उत्तराखंड रोड्स की बात करूँ, वहाँ पर ब्लाइंड टर्न्स होते हैं और काफ़ी फॉगी वेदर होता है. सो फॉर दैट रीज़न वहाँ पर ब्लाइंड टर्न्स होने के कारण ये जो टेक्नोलॉजी है ये काफ़ी यूजफुल होती है वहाँ पर. सो इफ़ यू सी हेयर, ये कार यहाँ से आ रही है और यहाँ इसके आने से इसे ये अलर्ट हो जाएगी, और ये कार यहाँ आने से लाइक दैट ये अलर्ट हो रही है. सो बेसिकली इट्स ऑल अबाउट अलर्टनेस कि इफ़ यू गो स्लो और इफ़ यू स्टॉप देयर. सो वी हैव मेड इट विदाउट द हेल्प ऑफ सेंसर्स, बिकॉज अगर मैं सेंसर्स की बात करूँ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स के फील्ड में इट्स वेरी मच कॉस्टली, एंड एज अ शॉर्ट टर्म इसे यूज़ करने के लिए हमने इसे विदाउट सेंसर्स की मदद से बनाया है. इट्स ऑल अबाउट मैकेनिकल प्रेशर, it's all about mechanical force with the help of wiring. So it's all about our collision alert project. Economically feasible project.
Good morning. My name is Himanshi Nolaka. I am from class 8B. Here is our model generation of electricity from waste material. You can see it that we are burning the paper, then the heat produced from and it goes to the heating panel. Then it goes to the boosting circuit. It stores our energy, and that the lights burn every time we need electricity. So for small appliances like mobile charging, etc., it is useful.
Good morning. This is Andromeda Galaxy, which is a neighbor galaxy of Milky Way galaxy. It is supposed to collide with the Milky Way galaxy in 4 to 5 billion years and will form a new galaxy which will be named as Milkomeda. We can see this galaxy with our naked eyes in the night sky in the constellation of Andromeda. This Andromeda galaxy is named after the Greek princess, who is the wife of the Greek king Perseus.
Today we have made this project mainly known as hydroponic system. Hydroponic system is a method in which the plants grow without the help of soil. The plants directly get the nutrients from their crops, in which there is just need of water. In this water we add a solution known as NPK solution. The water transfer from the first chamber to the second chamber, in which the plants have supply of nutrients from space to space. And in this method you can also see we have these roots from which we have these holes in which the plants directly absorbs the nutrients. And this project is mainly used by the space agencies when their astronauts go for a long time missions and if they want to grow plants. email. It is a facility on internet to send and receive messages. This is an email account. This is an email address. Every email account has a unique email address, which means no two people can have same email address. These are some email address. How to create our first email account? First, connect to the internet, open the website www.gmail.com. Click on create an account, fill the registration form, choose a login name and password, accept the agreement. This is how you can use email account. Thank you.